High Court Judge Mr Justice David Nolan told Enoch Burke today that he was behaving like an unruly schoolboy. He told him that he was being disruptive and rude and his behaviour was disgraceful. And Enoch Burke's mother and sister were both removed from court on the directions of the judge. The matter today was the question of costs in relation to the fines proceedings, the proceedings against Enoch Burke over the unpaid fines, and the Gardaí had to remove Enoch Burke's mother, Martina, and sister, Amy. Enoch Burke did owe €79,100 in fines imposed on him for contempt of court after he continued to turn up at Wilson's Hospital School in Westmeath in breach of a High Court order made by Mr Justice Alexander Owens. €40,000 has been taken from his bank account, and there is a garnishee or an order on his salary going into his account, so he's not actually getting that. The court heard that around €1,500 has been collected to date, but that's in addition to the $40,000, I presume, that's been taken from his account. The Attorney General's Senior Counsel made an application for costs today, as did Counsel for the School Board of Management, and Counsel for the Receiver said that asked for his cost to be reserved. Rosemary Mallon, acting for the Board of Management at Wilson's Hospital School, she said that he has continued to turn up at the school every day apart from 2 days. One was a teacher training day and the other was for a court appearance. She read out an affidavit from the acting principal of the school saying that if Burke continued to attend the premises in the next school year, the board would seek an attachment and committal order with great reluctance as before. And that attachment and committal order will lead to Mr Burke's imprisonment again in Mountjoy. Enoch Burke was asked to make his case as to why the costs should not be awarded against him. He said that he was not in court for circumstances of his own making and said lies were being told. He said that he wanted to make a submission he had tried to make during the last court appearance but was interrupted during. The judge said that's all of that's behind us now. Mr Burke then continued to talk over the judge, who said this is not a soapbox, you're a school teacher and know all about unruly schoolboys. You're acting like an unruly schoolboy. Mr Burke said that over the last 3 years a number of judges had run out of the chair many times and no judge has taken up the issue that the principal's demand was unlawful. The judge said that he had given Mr Burke too much leeway and Mr Burke needed to deal with today's issue on costs. Amy Burke, that's Enoch Burke's sister, started shouting from the body of the court and the judge asked Gardaí to remove her. She continued to shout, "You're telling lies," as she was removed from the courtroom. Martina Burke, then Enoch Burke's mother, began shouting and the judge asked Gardaí to remove her also. While she was being taken from the court, another man stood up asking to make a submission. The judge said Mr Burke was showing disregard to the court and he began to give his decision on costs. Mr Burke remained standing throughout and remained speaking throughout over the judge. And as I say, the judge said that his behaviour was disgraceful, disruptive and rude, and that he was behaving like an unruly schoolboy. That's the latest in the Enoch Burke and Wilson's Hospital School saga. And saga it is. In this report I've been relying on the report on the RTE website of Diane O'Connor.